As you can see, it comes off easily. Okay, and that's what it looks like here. Just gonna keep this panel right here. Right. Because I've done this already, I'm not gonna take out any of these connections, but I'm gonna show you what needs to be done. This cable over here, as soon as you open it, make sure you get this one disconnected and make sure you get this one disconnected, okay? You just have to pull this out, pull this one out, pull this out, pull this one out. Once that's done, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cables completely disconnected. Very important, okay? Do that first. That's step number 1. And this I'm talking is for the Dell Optiplex 7020, or you could do it on any Dell Optiplex model. Then that's part number 1.